Cost of living in Bali. How is it now? I've been living here for the last few years, and the costs have definitely went up a lot. But can you still live really well here with $1,000 to $2,000 per month? That is basically my budget. And I have calculated all my cost for the last few months, so I will show you a real-life example how your life could look like here in Bali with that budget. And this video is sponsored by Awesome. By the way, I used to live here. It's really beautiful. But of course, nowadays, it's way too expensive. So there's no way I just came for quick morning MCH and work session here. But now it's time to go to a gym and try a new place. It's really awesome here in Bali. And it's definitely not bad price for ice malad in this kind of place. It's really peaceful and so beautiful, and you can just chill here and basically even use the pool. And it's also close to the beach. Like, yeah, B and I choose to stay in Jungle because it's just really nice to stay long term. Because there's so many options, for example, there's so many of these gyms nowadays that are just really nice with the pool and so on. And ice pad and everything. I've been going to the Obsidian for many months now. It's really nice with infinity pool and everything. Super nice. Vibe. But now today I'm trying the wrong gym. It's really close where I stay, and there seems to be like super nice SAA, an ice pad, and a little bit like bigger pool area. This looks super CH. I really recommend joining one of these nice gyms here in Canggu. There's many options, and Obsidian was actually more affordable. This one is $185 per month, so a little more expensive. So we'll see if I end up joining for the membership. $400K was the price for a daily pass. But yeah, I just think it's part of the Canggu Bali experience to have one of these gyms where you can also chill at the pool and the SAA and ice pad and everything. It really makes a big difference to the lifestyle. And just to mention, there's of course also local gyms here also that doesn't and see almost anything. But yeah, it's just such a cool experience. I think like part of this, like living well, is to have these kind of places that really make you feel so good. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed by this GY. All the designs are really nice and it's just cool. Vibes, it's brand new, and yeah, it's basically the nicest gym I ever experienced. And Bal is still awesome that there's always new options like this to coming up. Yeah, this place is really awesome. The SAA is really nice, and there's even steam and nice ice path and everything. I'm definitely going to. It's been a few hours here, but yeah. Later in the video, I will show you all the prices for accommodations, school activities, food, everything, basically. Everything you need to know in Bali to see more detailed explanation of where is your monthly cost coming here. What can you music expect? But one thing that is still so worth it in Bali is food. There's literally in Canggu million ops for so good food, so nice restaurants, and the prices are really affordable. I basically eat whatever I want to eat whenever I want to eat it. Like whatever, I crave whatever I think is the good option for that day. I don't really think of money so much when it comes to food and eating like really good foods all the time, and also healthy. There's many healthy options in Bali that I really love, that you can eat good, but healthy, and it's quite affordable. So yeah, living this way, fully enjoying food experience here in Bali, I still spend only around $12 to $20 per day for food. And that's again like, basically I don't really like, there's nothing more I would want. Like, that's all I want when it comes to food in my life, and I love food. So of course, like it's really awesome. Like I'm really enjoying it, and it's still not crazy expensive. And of course, yeah, I'm vegan. I eat in vegan cafes and nice cafes all the time. Sometimes local food, but basically if you eat more local food, you can be way more affordable in B. Basically, food is one thing that really makes sense with the prices. It's still very affordable. There's so many options for any like price range. And one nice thing in Bali also when it comes to cafes that there's so many places that are nice for working. I personally always work home or in cafes, so I don't really spend any extra money for co-working space or anything like that because there's so many of these places. Like this place, Avocado Factory. There's so many nice spots to work here. And the Wi-Fi is also really good here. And in so many places in Bali, there's many like co-working cafes. Also, you don't need to pay any extra, just order some food or coconut or something. So it's really nice also that there's so many options for working here. Yeah, this place is really awesome. It's so nice to work here. It's just good vibes and just good food. As most of the time in Bali, there's so many nice options. For example, Gustav Grun is really awesome. Some sandwich or like a burrito RRA place. I've been going a lot. Lately, it's just really, really good value for money. So good, so tasty. It's just really awesome to order music there. And of course, there's some monthly cost when you live here, like accommodation and scooter. And what I really love about Bali, that you can have a really nice place, basically a little over $600 per month, even if it's just month rental. And also for scooter, you can have basically the best ever scooter with like $140 per month. So basically for accommodation and transportation, you can have nice enough place that there's not really need to upgrade. Like you can be really like, I'm really content here. I'm happy with this place. I feel really home here. It's comfortable, it's really nice, the scooter is the best ever. So it's like there's no need to get think of oh, maybe I want better one because it's already the best one. So it's just a nice feeling that you spend only like 800 or something dollars per month. And also the area is really nice. It's just really peaceful road, and it's also close to the beach and close to the center in Canggu. So it's just it's a good life here. It's just hard to describe how nice it is to have the nice scooter and live close to everything, and always just so easily drive around and go to anywhere you want to go. It's just take a few minutes. It's just a feeling of freedom, and it's just really awesome feeling. One more necessary monthly cost music video. And when it comes to activities, let me explain how awesome it is here in Bali. I came to Bali Paddle Academy to do battle. Because yeah, battle is like one of those things that I do the most often here, but there's also so many other activities that are really affordable and nice here. Basically, this place is not ready yet, but when it's going to be ready, so awesome. There's so many cores to play paddle, and there's this big pool area and sauna and ice bath, and everything is really awesome. How here also in Jungle Paddle, they have a SA and ice path, so you can do that after the game. I really love to do that, and the price is pretty affordable. It's like $6, $7 for 1 hour. So quite affordable. A good value for money to pay that much to play paddle, and then also goes on a ice padding. It's just really nice locations and nice VIP in these places. And it's really easy to find players to play with here because there's so many people who play. And yeah, I do paddle like once or twice a week, so it's a little bit more expensive for monthly cost. But of course, I love to play paddle here is such a good value for money to do that is so fun. And sometimes, say, surf is only $3 for the surf, bow rental per few hours, so it's really affordable. It doesn't take much from your budget, basically, to serve here if you don't need a teacher, and sometimes I do yoga. It's not the most affordable in my favorite place. The practice. It's okay. Price for the value because it's really awesome. But yeah. It's a more expensive, and maybe that's also why I don't do that often. And something I do also sometimes is private boxing lessons with the SUA guys on $10 for 1 hour, private lesson with Muay Thai boxing and everything. It's really awesome also. So I think average price for what I use for activities, not including gym per month, is $80, but I do so much basically almost every day. I do some activities, of course, like running on the beach sometimes, that's free, but all these activities is such a good value. It's such an awesome life. I'm super happy with my daily life and weekly life, and there's so much to do. It never gets boring. So for this, and the nicest place is also doing these things, I think it's really worth it. It's really living well with this budget of activities after battle massage in my favorite spa here in Canggu. It's really awesome here in Bali. You can basically do massage really affordably, or in this nicest places here still is $22 per massage, 60 minutes full body massage. So I do that basically once a week. And for me, that's kind of that feeling of living well, that you can take care of yourself in whatever way you want, whenever you want. And just it feels so much better always after working a lot, do massage once a week, and I feel so much more relaxed and better. So I think it's huge value for my life, and it's $88 per month for doing massage once a week. I wouldn't want to do it more often. So yeah, it's perfect for me for sunset. I usually just like to come to the beach nearby for quick coconut, and it's pretty nice by always on the beaches for sunset. There's always a lot of people just chilling, having beers and coconuts and everything. It's really nice and it's affordable for the coconut and also for bang the best beer in B. And yeah, I don't really like to go party that often. I actually just went once during this 2.5 years in Bali. But if you go, I think like bintang beer in clubs and bars is around 50,000 each, so it's quite affordable, and there's entrance fee to some places.